Good morning. My name is Tony Roth. I am with Rolston Hoekstrom, and this is going to be our three things of the day, and we're going to cover Southwire's QWIKrope. Just to get started, what is pull rope in general? Pulling rope is the tool for electricians to get wire from point A to point B in a building, or in a commercial building or a residential building. That pull rope is going to get pulled through the conduit or pulled through the cable tray first, and then once you get to where your wire is set up, you're going to go ahead and hook your rope up, hook it up to your wire, and then you're going to have a machine pull that rope and bringing that wire through the building. So that's the basics of what a pull rope is used for in the electrician industry. A couple of unique things about our QWIKrope is that we have three different sizes in diameter. I'm going to talk about our 9/16 QWIKrope, our 9/16 QWIKrope in diameter first. This is our 9/16 in diameter. This is the most popular rope that we have. It comes in four different reel sizes. It comes in a 300 foot reel, which you see here, a 600 foot reel, a 900 foot reel, and then also a 1200 foot option. The most common in the field is probably that 1200 foot option, because if you are using our 9/16 rope, the length of the pull is going to be more than likely longer, and you're going to need that length of your rope. Moving on down to another size, we have our 1/4 inch rope. As you can see here, it's a 1/4 inch in diameter. This rope only comes in 300 foot spools and 600 foot spools. And the pulling capacity on these are 7,500 pounds. And then we also have an 1/8 inch option, which is going to be even smaller diameter rope. That also only comes in 300 foot spools and 600 foot spools. And the pulling capacity is 1,100 pounds. That rope is going to be more for your residential and circuit wire pulls, more in that space. Some of the things that make our ropes, our QWIKropes, different than your standard pulling rope out in the field. Your most traditional ropes are those double braided cotton ropes. Our QWIKropes are actually made of a high fiber material that actually creates a slick friction into the pipe. So that's going to go ahead and lower your friction resistance while you're pulling through the pipe. You're going to notice here, this is a 300 foot reel. It's actually a third the weight too. So say this is 20 pounds. Your regular traditional rope is going to be close to that 60 pound range. So as you get into larger reels, ours are going to be a lot easier to be mobile on the job site, warehouse, wherever it may be. Another great feature about our QWIKrope is that you're getting down to 2% stretch in this rope. So when it's at its full capacity, we're going to get down to 2% stretch, versus a lot of your standard, more traditional ropes, you can get up anywhere between 10 to 15% stretch in that rope. What makes that unique and special? Well, it's a big safety factor. Think about having 15% of this rope being stretched through, a 1,000 foot run. If that rope were to snap, that could be a safety hazard to that person on that job site. So that bringing down that stretch is a huge safety factor. Another massive thing about our QWIKrope is that it's water resistant. So it's not going to retain any water. So if you're doing an underground pull and you're pulling it through water, it's not going to retain water and swell. You're also, once you're done with that pull, if you got wet rope, you don't have to, your weight's going to double or triple, but then also you don't have to lay it out, let it dry out so it doesn't rot, anything like that. So the water resistant is very powerful tool, or very powerful feature as well. And that's the three things about the Southwire QWIKrope.
Today I want to talk to you guys about the QWIKrope. So this first setup we're going to look at is the 7/8 inch double braided cotton composite rope going through 2-inch PVC with 12 9-degree bends. And as you can see, it's really hard to pull it through there. Now this is the 9/16 inch quick rope. This rope is just as strong as the 7/8 inch cotton rope. They both have a breaking strength of 32,000 pounds. I can take with 2 fingers and pull it through the 1290s that easy. This rope is so unique that I can actually push it through the assembly, which I think is pretty cool. Now we make this rope in a 9/16, a 1/4 inch, and an 1/8 inch rope that you can see here. Now this 1/8 inch rope is just as strong as a 1/4 inch cotton rope. As you can see, this 1/4 inch cotton rope is pretty tough to get through there. The 1/8 inch rope goes through just like a string. Very easy. Now I keep my 9/16 inch quick rope in a 20-gallon trash can. When it's coming off my puller, I'm just dumping it into the trash can and I'm off to my next pull. And that is our quick rope.